Man, this is pretty nuts. I wasn't expecting this much snow. This is crazy. Nobody's even touched it. It's like untouched out here. Holy shit, it's like white out. You can't see anything.
I don't know if we can go.
This is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen snow like this.
I don't think we're going anywhere. I can't even see.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go back.
All right,
upstairs.
come on. Let's just push you onto the corner.
No, I can't.
You gonna go upstairs?
I don't know.
Dude, this is total whiteout. I've never seen that.
If I walk backwards, I'm okay.
All right, let's go. Come on. Come on, I got sneakers on. If I could do it, we can do it. Jesus Christ. Wow. It's at least 6 inches. But I'm just surprised that it's so untouched out here. Nobody's outside. I mean,
God, I wish I had my snow goggles.
yeah, I know. The goggles would have been good. There's like minimal traffic out here too. Nobody's fucking driving today. Holy shit. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna walk in the street. This is fucking crazy. Oh my god. Alright. This up here is a prominent avenue that's like usually, I mean, it has somebody driving on it. Nobody's fucking driving on it. Holy shit. Come on, let's go. Where are you going? Are you coming? I'm only going to the corner store. What? Oh my god. Come on, let's go. Dude, it's so freezing.
Oh my god, I would never even walk this sledding mountain in this.
No. I don't think I've ever seen anything. Oh, look, a car. Holy shit. I don't know. Alright, the camera's getting too wet. I gotta put it away. As you can see, visibility is maybe about a half a block. Half a block visibility. I've never seen anything like this. Come on, I'm gonna leave you. Let's go. Come on. Going back to the house? Alright, I don't want my camera to get fucked up in the wetness out here, but this bus is stopped. He's been rocking it. He backs it into the street, and then he tries to pull it to get a speed boost over this bump to go down this other street here. It's not working for him. Now he's stuck for good. His shit's just turning now. I don't think I've ever really seen snow like this. I mean, it's kind of crippling in only a couple of hours. It's crazy. And it's totally like half a block visibility. Wow, this is nuts. There hasn't even been any plows or anything around here. Bus guy's fucked. He's not gonna go up soon. Holy shit. Alright. I hope it's not fucking you guys up wherever you are this weather.